Yeah, that's what. Thank you for your. Thank you for this class, and we have learned a lot. I have learned a lot, and hoping we engage in future for a better future for Gururu as well as for the individuals.
My network might go out here. I am facing some network issues, but still, I'll definitely like to give this feedback. Basically, this was something which I never expected, or this is something was out of my, uh, uh, my domain. I come from a service background, having an experience of 12 years, and there was this thing called as project management, which I was into, and something which I never related to. This kind of environment could be there. This kind of work could be there in the market, and these are the things that that might come up. So that was something which was really useful to me. To be honest, I learned a lot, specifically many things that I have never heard. For example, the Scrum Master word was a very, a very different word which I never came across. So many things that definitely I learned here. So really, thank you, Sandeep, for that.
Hi, Sandeep. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. And what I have gathered is around 4 pages of notes on my notebook. So, and naturally, whatever material that is a different thing, but these are personal notes. That is first thing. Secondly, that there are certain things which I knew already, like agile, etc. But I have got better understanding how to apply them in real world. Thirdly, there are a few terms, few words, few things which I have made note of, which I'm right now doing wrong or not optimal. So which I have to improve. So maybe I'm in the right direction, but now that you have told me, I'm in a better situation. That's what I feel. And I'm really thankful about that. So I'm taking those things as taking with me. So that learning in the last 2 days has come.
Yeah, Sandeep, it's a nice discussion. Generally, it's not a stringent, not a classroom. It's all one-to-one boardroom sessions where we structure it and how we are going to move to the coming forward. And some of the project perspectives, some points is where I missed earlier, especially planning and DISC. That point is really figured out it my side and where I stand out my characters like that, and also team interaction. This already I have already done, but I did not figure out where I have done. Now it's I really figure out it's okay. Really, I'm going to mapping my experiences and right now coming forward how to utilize that one. It's good to move in forwardly. I can utilize this point. It's nice, and also it's not a uh, overall not a stringent presentation. It's purely boardroom sessions and one-to-one. It's like a it's a debate like that. It's good to interaction. That's the reason we can't specific anywhere. So we are all covered all the multi-level interaction. It's nice, Sandeep. It's nice interaction.
Thanks, Sandeep. I think it's after a very long time I'm sitting for on the weekends, and thanks for your patience as well in terms of taking this sessions over the weekends. And there was not a moment where I felt I can move out of the session, or so you kept us really engaged in terms of the collaboration or the interaction, as Prabhu was saying. So though we knew all these terms on a theoretical aspect, practically also we might have applied, but not probably in the not the right aspect. So your tips and tricks in terms of how to apply it and where to apply it, that would really help us moving forward in our career. And also in terms of the interview process that you explained in deep about how to approach the interview, was also really helpful.
So hi. So Sandeep, like as far as the whole exercise of this workshop was like very much informative, and also like I got to understand a couple of new terminology like the star approach. I mean, that was very much new for me. Maybe I've been in this industry for quite some time, but I did not recognize like how you can, twist and turn things around. And that was one thing. And the other leadership with management activity. That was a nice catchy thing for me to. That has planted some kind of seeds on my brain so that I can take such kind of shots and then take it forward. And moreover, like it was a refreshing stuff for me. I come from a consultant background, and then I've been on and off the project management, and as well I work with pretty much well-established product-based companies as well. So now I get to understand like more of a program level, and I would definitely take your learnings forward and try to be as a good leader. Down the line. Thanks, guys, and thanks for everyone for your support. And I would like to thank everyone. I would like to especially thanks for your time, for everyone's time over the weekend, and trying to make sure like things get organized and without any interruptions. We are through with these 2 days of rigorous workshop. Yeah. Good luck to everyone, guys. Thank you.
Thanks, Deep, for your time. And over the weekend and 2 days, that's full time that you have spent. From the topics perspective, as I have like two of the topics already, I was aware agile and the test and all, but it gave me an opportunity to refresh those, and also different kind of practical tips that you have given from the practical experience that will surely help us. And also the project management and product-based companies architecture, and the interview patterns and the different type of questions and how we can frame, and so that will be really helpful, because from the practical standpoint also you have given suggestion between the parts, so that was really very helpful, that I have noted everything and wanted to observe and wanted to retrospect myself and how will be in position, and trying to gather some from the experience part, what should I formulate the answers. So I was just thinking in that way for each questions, and the tips that you have given will really help us. Another one thing I noticed is it was really a challenge for you as well, because getting engaged in a virtual classroom, and but you had that lot of patience, and you were trying to get people participate and pulling them. That really showed that your experience level and the patience you had. That was really appreciating one. And I wanted to learn certain, like already I have observed certain things and the learnings from both the topic wise and the way even people shared, and the tips that you have given. It's really going to help us. Thank you for your time, and thanks all for the support.
Overall, it was very good sessions, and very good learnings, and especially I could fine tune regarding this agile, Scrum, and risk. The way we need to approach for different based on risk was also very good learning. Thanks for that, and of course, much of it, as other people said, thanks to you for spending so much of time and energy mentioning this. Thanks a lot.
Sure.
Thanks to everyone.
Your program was very informative, and even though you talked about Agile, I'm a certified Agile practitioner. I've done some certification, and I'm a Prince2 practitioner too. So I got some knowledge. Basically, I literally joined this program to understand the tools and techniques which are important for a program manager, and it was really good. Probably, I think after this session, we will receive those spreadsheets and other stuffs which are required for the program manager.
For me, it was like the architecture from the product-based company that you are given, the details, like the different way, like how actually this working. And another one thing is the managing 100 projects. So mostly like I have managed parallelly around 4 to 5 projects, but when we are seeing in a business head level or something, when there is a question asked how we can able to manage 100 plus projects, so we'll be like stuck there. So, but that was like the tools that you have shown was very really helpful. Even if we can introduce even those will be helpful when we are managing currently, which will give an insight. And even the basic, like it was a very simple tool, but it's an effective one. So that was I like that part also very much.
Yeah, for me, the Jira software, where individual for means in the sense I am coming to know now itself. Recently, 2 months back, our manager has asked us to update all those details in Jira. So I was not sure aware of this tool kind of thing, where instead of mails and we can have the updates or follow-ups very in a systematic order. The follow-ups and all can be done very easily over there. So that is what one tool had came like have got the knowledge on.
From my side, the risk part and how to handle risk in a project was a main thing which I am taking ahead, and actually, which something which I think everyone will echo is the tools and the spreadsheet which I've shared. That is going to be definitely a very helpful thing to taking ahead from this thing. So thank you for those things and for creating those and then sharing those with all of us.
Yeah, Sandeep. The first part is the risk factor, and that one is very informative. And another, today the multiple projects handling, which is defining up the multiple projects as well as the capacity integration. That part is actually individual. I had done. This purely multiple wise, it's very impressive, and it's going to forward utilize the things. That's very useful for me. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Sandeep.
Yeah, for me it was at 100 plus projects handling, because I handle a couple of projects as well as products. So typically when we go for presenting it to the executive leadership team, I end up going with multiple sheets, one for the product side, another for the project. So with this, I would be able to combine and give a holistic view of all the products and projects that I take care of. That's one. And other, in terms of the conflict and the negotiation, that was really interesting in terms of how do we handle it in a real life scenario.
Yeah, as I said earlier, it was interesting for me the leadership styles, and also particularly with the stakeholder management. I've been battling around a little bit with the stakeholder management for quite some time. So now, I get to understand how to deal with the complex stakeholders and how to get the mindset right and then take it forward. Applying whatever the insights what you have given out across the class. I think that was very much informative. And also, as I said, the STAR approach for the interviews and the feedback sessions, those are all much informative for me. Those struck a chord with, as I'm actually looking forward to give discussions, that would really help for me going forward. So I'm looking forward for those typical questions coming from them, and then trying to nail down in a way that I'm ready for all your questions.
Yeah, I like the disk and then the star information. And apart from that, the 6 categories of intervention, those information I like.
I would agree with Ram again. Disk is something which even I like. There were few things that definitely belong to program management roles, but there are few things that majorly that could be used in every other industry. So the interview piece that we had in the last bit, that was really good.
As I mentioned, this and also the 6 styles of managing people is also very is what I learned more, and I need to work more on those things. Thank you.